Good morning for every student. BSc Forestry second semester, course number SDS 121. Course of name of course Statistical Method and Experimental Design. Today I will teach you correlation. Today I will teach you correlation, new chapters and social chapter. In previous chapter, namely measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion, you have already know in arithmetic mean or standard deviation only one variable, but in correlation bivariate. Bivariate means द्विपद जिसको कहते हैं, two variables, and type of nature two variables also two types, one variable independent and second variable dependent. Suppose two variable x and y, x1, x2, xn and y1, y2, yn. Of two variables and their observations. Suppose this variable fertilizer doses and this variable production of the any crops. Suppose if we get x1 dose and I found a y1, again different dose x2 and y2, xn and y1. So you can see that this is a different type of dosage of fertilizer and this is a different production of crop. This dose get this production, this dose this and this and this. So we can change dosage of fertilizer. And what is the response of fertilizer? Y1, Y2 and Yn. So I am independent to change dosage, but I am dependent to found the response of this dosage on the basis of production. So this fertilizer dose give this give this and this give this. So this is like a line. So linear relationship, x1 linear relationship, y1, x2, y2 and xn, yn. So definition of correlation, कि linear relationship between two variables called correlation. Linear relationship between two variables called correlation, and second term correlation coefficient. And in this also one variable independent variable and second variable dependent variable, means this is different and we are free to change, not bound, we are free to change doses, but second variable y give the response of x variable. And now correlation coefficient, second term correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient means like a gradient, you know, geometric, coordinate geometry, gradient, angle, जिसको झुकाव भी कहते हैं. देखो तो एंगल ऑफ linear relationship between two variables called correlation coefficient. Now correlation coefficient presented by, so correlation coefficient presented by small r, and r equal to covariance of xy upon standard deviation xy. And what is the covariance? So covariance mean where covariance xy is equal to summation x minus xy y minus y bar and divided by n minus 1. And second term, summation x, means standard derivation of variable y and standard derivation of standard derivation of variable x and standard derivation of variable y. So how we found standard derivation of variable x? So x minus x bar whole square upon n minus 1. And standard derivation of y are variance summation x minus summation y minus y bar whole square upon n minus 1. So summation x minus, so x minus x bar and y minus y bar upon n minus 1 upon summation x minus x bar square into y minus y bar square upon n minus 1. This is cut. It means summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon under root summation x minus x bar whole square summation y minus y bar whole square. Now suppose if x minus x bar is equal to small x and y minus y bar is equal to small y, so r is equal to summation xy upon under root summation x square into summation y square. Summation x square into summation y. So this formula for calculate correlation coefficient, gradient of linear relationship between two variables called correlation coefficient and arc angle. So what is the limit of correlation coefficient? Correlation coefficient, what is the limit of correlation coefficient? So range or limit are plus minus 1. Means R correlation coefficient minimum value minus 1 and maximum value plus 1. Suppose this limit minus 1 and plus 1. If reduce value of correlation coefficient, there 0, and if reduce this, but not less than minus 1 or not greater than plus 1, correlation coefficient restricted minus 1 to plus 1. Up minus, ये plus 1 means 1 means perfect, plus means positive, and what we can found correlation coefficient, so we say for plus 1 means perfect correlation coefficient, and this is perfect negative correlation coefficient, and this is 0. 0 means if r equal to 0, it means no relationship between two variables are uncorrelated. If r value belong less than 1 and greater than 1, it means r value positive. If r value less than 0 and greater than minus 1, then r equal, then correlation coefficient is negative. So 5 types of correlation coefficient. First, perfect correlation coefficient. Second, perfect negative correlation coefficient. Third, uncorrelated or no linear relationship between two variables, and if value this, it means positive correlation, and this is negative correlation. Okay? Any problem? Okay. And what? Up suppose how we can calculate? How we can calculate correlation coefficient? So variable x and variable y. Variable x and variable y means x1, x2, xn, and this is y1, y2, yn. So summation x and summation y, and small x is equal to x minus x bar. It means कि x1 is equal to x1 minus x bar. So we calculate xn is equal to xn minus x bar, means this is the summation x. No, y minus y bar means y1 is equal to y1 minus y bar, and yn is equal to yn minus y bar. And first you put say formula कि r is equal to summation xy upon under root summation x square into summation y. Now we calculate x square. X square means this x square means x1 square and xn square, or this is the summation x square. Now y square means y1 square up to yn square. This is the summation y square, and summation xy is equal to x1 into y1 up to xn into yn, and this is the summation x square. Now we put this value this place, this value this place, and this value this place. Now question arises, how we can recognize कि correlation coefficient positive or negative or uncorrelated. If this value 0, it means correlation coefficient value will be 0. If correlation coefficient, if xy positive, it means कि positive correlation, and if this total will be if negative, it means negative correlation. If summation xy is equal to under root summation x square into summation y square, it means that this value will be 1. And according to sign, if positive, to positive perfect correlation, if negative, to negative correlation. If this value will be equal, it means correlation coefficient will be perfect, and if this value in minus sign, it means perfect negative correlation coefficient, and if this value positive in the case of this, it means perfect positive correlation. Any problem? Okay, complete. Okay, now start. Yeah, I can see.